So silent. Click sound is so silent. I like that. But I see some noise with scroll. I don't like this noise. If you see other mouse, Botronics, it's silent, very silent. I can see there is a drawback for this HP 710 programmable mode. If you listen the sound, scrolling sound, whereas if you see other one, Botronics, there is no sound. So build quality is good in terms of comparing with Umbrain. HP is so nice, but only the drawback is the scroll. I can see some noise and also not feeling like smooth. It's a little hard. So make sure. I don't know HP when they will make this scroll good one. This is second time I bought wireless uh, rechargeable mouse. Second time also I'm not satisfied. So instead of that, HP Embrain is good. I like this. This is a compact comparing to the size. This is a big one. So Embrain is so nice. You can see the RGB light. You can turn on. See now the light, RGB light, how it's